Do you want to know how you can download artwork in Starry AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download your image or your artwork in Starry AI. Go ahead and open Starry AI on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. So in your creations, you can click on the download option, which you can see over here. You can see that if you click on the image and select image from here and click download or share, you can download the image. So click download image and then the image will be downloaded. So there are some problems from downloading over here sometimes, so all you need to do is click on the image and scroll down and you can see some of the variations. After selecting the variation, click on this cloud download image icon and your image or your artwork will be downloaded. I hope this video about how you can download your image or artwork was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.